Nose run. Let's see who's out.
يلا يلا.
Perimeter's open, Kate. We're moving in.
Handing off straight control to you now, 3-1. Air assets are all yours.
Copy. Good on you, Kate.
You have the con, 3-1. Shoot smart. Watch her out.
Jaguar 4-7, this is Echo 3-1. Call for fire.
Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target.
Guns on the ring.
Enemy helo, inbound. Missile out. Stand by, Echo. Bird is reloading. Jaguar reloading for reattack. Stand by. No joy, Echo. Still reloading. Stand by. Your last, Echo. Bird is reloading. Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target. Watch out! Echo, Jaguar is on station, standing by for your mark. Everyone, push! Get to the top! Get me cover! Alex, fall in an airstrike! Shit! Our APC's down! Enemy helicopter inbound! Take it down! There's your target! Let's go! Move your arm! Weapons loose. Don't stop! Over the head! Now, let's move! Understood! Down. You got two of them.
Go.
Copy. Missile out. 3-1 Jaguar is moving off the reload. Stand by. 3-1 Jaguar is back in the AO, ready for target. Almost to the top. Move your arm. Let's go. Go away.
Down, Bucko. He's here.
Negative. My story never leaves.
Look, around the silos. South.
Now, let's move. Russian aircraft coming hot. Go for it. Adjust the fire. Shut down. No showing. Echo. Still reloading. Stand by. Enemy attack. Echo. Bird is reloading. Enemy fire! Stand by. Echo. Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target. Jaguar reloading for reattack. Stand by. Echo, Jaguar is on station. Standing by for your mark. Enemy at the front. Get your east.
Cover me.
Understood. Движение около той машины.
Clear.
Echo team, this is your start line. Find your way to Nikolai for the charges.
Mask is on. Marco should use the gas. So what should we leaving?
Let's go to work.
We'll get there. Downstairs.
They're well armed for a lab.
We will bury it all. Pedro.
Everyone, fan out! Heads up.
He's out of cover. Give me cover. Watch the doorway. Stay out. Move it.
Moving up, second level.
Up there. Cover.
Heading to level 3.
Go. Go. Understood. Cover me.
I'm out! Reloading!
Let's go outside. Ivan, that's him.
Alex, Farah,
Nikolai.
come quickly, get their charges. The detonator will start the chain reaction.
Load the furnace, the rest follows.
Correct. Don't lose it.
Why help us?
Barkov is a stain on my country. It will not stand.
Спасибо, Nikolai.
I'll take the rest with Price and Sergeant Garrick. See you on the other side.
He's scared shitless.
Let's get to the furnace.
Неплохо. Тебя не победить.
Big boy's down! Didn't leave this lying around.
I see them.
We're getting close.
Potter, we've got a problem.
What is it?
Echo, this is Actual. How copy?
Send traffic actual.
Got eyes on General Barkov. I say again, Barkov is moving to the helipad.
Echo's approaching the furnace now, actual.
Set your charges and move.
The furnace is through here. There's the door.
On it.
Clear. What happened?
Detonator's fucked.
It's dead. I'll go in there.
And do what?
Ignite the furnace.
You'll never get away in time.
I know what I'm doing.
Farah, listen to me.
No, you listen to me. Because of this poison, my people have known something worse than war. I did not come this far to turn back.
I'm not asking you to turn back. I'm asking you to give me the order.
I won't do that.
Commander, please.
I am not your CO.
Then who is? Because someone needs to light this fire and someone needs to kill Barkov. And you can't do both. I've been an assignment my whole life. This is what I believe in. Give me the order.
You are a freedom fighter, Alex.
You're a born leader, Farah. Say the word.
Go.
Yes, ma'am. Good luck.
Bravo, Echo is set at the furnace. Farah's going for the General.
Roger, Echo. Fighting to the pipeline now.
Set, Sergeant.
No ROEs now, huh, Captain?
None at all. Starting with that sniper.
Negative visual. RPG, left side. What a shot.
I don't see them!
Got targets by the loading dock. Target 40 meters out.
I don't see them!
RPG, left side. Hold for cover. Got targets by the loading dock. Cover me! The target's by the loading dock. South! Fire!
Clear!
Bravo, on me. Pipes lead this way. Let's get this done.
Yes, sir.
All right, set the charges. Let's go.
Pipeline charge is hot!
Barkov's bugging out. Farah, Nikolai, where are you? Мне все равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро!
Say again. Barkov is wheeled up.
Фировать!
I've got eyes
Все
on.
равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро! Скажите им это, генерал Барков! Меня не будут игнорировать! I'm still here, Father. Still alive. I told you, Father, a long time ago. Your country breeds terrorists. That's why you're here. Do you see it? No!
This is for my family. This is for Hadir.
What's the status?
Captain, Barkov is dead.
Roger that. Alex, charges set?
Affirmative, sir.
Alex,
I'm not getting out of here. Let's do this.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All clear, Captain.
Roger. All stations on my mark. 3, 2, 1. Confirm visual. Target's destroyed. Well done.
Karim! Mother Russia would approve. Where to?
Urzikstan. Home.